Hello YouTube, today we are going to be unboxing some equal length headers for 2012 Subaru WRX. And yeah, so let's get started. Alright, so we ordered these from CNT Racing. They are equal length, so they should take out the rumble and it should give us more horsepower. That's the difference between unequal length. Subarus normally have unequal length headers, which causes there to be a little rumble that you hear, but it causes it to have less efficiency and less power. So what we're going to do is we're going to install them and let's see what's up. Oh, these are interesting. Nice. So the difference between these and the other ones is the fact that these are the same amount of length from the tube. They're the same length all the way over here, so it's equal. That's why they call equal length headers. The other ones usually have the small one right here and then the big one over here, so this one's shorter than this, which causes a little rumble effect that you hear. But yeah, these are the headers, boys and girls. So let's go ahead and install this on the Subi. Alright guys, so we're under the car. As a moment, we don't have a lift yet, so we gotta do this like old-fashioned. Anyway, so these are the original Subaru headers, but they're not really headers. They're more like an exhaust, just stock exhaust. I wouldn't be surprised if they have a cat in them. Point is, in order to get to the freaking exhaust, we gotta take off this plate right here, and then we gotta take off this plate as well. That way we can access the bolts that we have on the top for the flanges, so we can take the whole exhaust off and then put the headers in, and that's what we're gonna do now. Alright guys, so we got the first cap off and now we have the header exposed, and there is the 3 nuts that we're gonna have to take off. So they're probably gonna be some 14s. So yeah, once you take this off, which is they're basically squeezed in together like this. They have 3 bolts, 12mm bolts here, here, and then there's one back here somewhere, right here. Yeah, so 3 bolts, and then this thing just splits apart. It opens up and then you throw it out. And now you have the 3 14mm bolts on top exposed to take off the exhaust. And this is stock as fuck. You can see how much burnt it was and how fucked up it is. But yeah, that's what we're gonna keep doing. We're gonna do the other side now, and then we're gonna take off the whole header. Alright guys, so after struggling for a little bit, we finally watch out. We finally got these motherfuckers off. They're gonna get the ones off from the other side, and the headers will fall. There goes one. That's 2. Alright boys, now I gotta grab it so it doesn't fall on me. And that's 3. We have officially gotten the headers out. Hold up. It looks like it might be stuck over here. It looks like it's stuck with the motor mount bracket, but Now we can get it out.
There it is.
It's out. We fucking did it. We don't have a comparison video. It's out. It's fucking out, finally. Alrighty. Now let's go to the garage. Ah, la verga, me perdí. Me perdí en alguna estación. I'm out. So as you can tell the difference right here, these are the stock ass, stupid ass headers, but these are unequal length. So as you can tell, this pipe is a lot longer than this pipe. This pipe's like super fucking short. So that creates a little rumble the Subarus have, and it reduces efficiency. Compared to this one, as you can see, the difference, how the pipe is all the way over here, right here it has nothing, right here it does. So this pipe is the same length as this pipe, which then causes the equal length, which makes the car faster. And it's real headers. These things have like a bunch of shit in them. I don't even know what the fuck. They suck though, they're ass. These are good. So we're gonna install these right now. Alright guys, they are officially in. So right now, Chobani is getting size socket size 16 so we can tighten this shit up. But we got those in. Boom. And then we also got these in. Boom. And yeah guys, so there it is. Officially CNT Racing. CNT Racing headers. Bro, these look fucking sick. And they're equal length headers. Also, this shit, that's what's coming next for the channel, boys. So stay tuned, because this shit is about to get wild. There it is, boys. Finally installed. Right now, we're just going to put this ground that used to be on the headers. You can put it right here on the valve cover. Either way, it's metal. It goes from the body to the engine no matter what. So instead of being on the headers now, it's going to be on right here on the valve cover. But with that being said, everything's done. It's ready to go. We fully put this thing in. We tightened up all the headers. They're good to go. They're solid in there. CNT Racing, boom. Everything's tied up. It's good to go. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. And if you guys have any questions on how to install these, if you run into any issues, make sure you leave a comment and we'll answer for you as quick as we can. And coming up next in our next video is going to be oil pickup tube installment. So yeah, let's go.